Wow, I got the new ringtone and it's awesome.
Make me step, make me hop, make me slap my ass, make me move, make me stop. You have some devil. You make me hop, ass, make me step, make me hop, make me slap my ass, make me move, make me stop. You have some devil. You make me hop, ass.
Hey Pep-Pop, how do you like the new ringtone I gave you?
It's good, Lemmy. I like it.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess you are a big fan of Team Fortress 2, then, huh?
Yeah, I guess you could say that. The reason why I like Team Fortress 2 is because of the spy. Me too. But basically I kind of like the scout, also heavy.
Sweet ring party!
Hey guys, this was just a quick video of me with my new ringtone. If you liked the video, leave a like on the video and post a comment in your comment section on the video. So yeah, I'll be able to notify that comment and probably reply to it. Also subscribe to my TF2 crossover channel, People Up the Blue Spy. This is Pip-Up signing off, and also I'm going to be playing my ringtone again. Let's get 1,000 likes for my ringtone.
Make me step, make me hop, make me slap my ass, make me move, make me stop. You have some devil. You make me hop,